Hey friends, this is Taylor with Vanquest Gear, the makers of the toughest bags and packs since 2011. Today we're going to be talking about the DENDRITE Waist Pack. They say fashion trends repeat themselves every 20 years, so we're bringing the 90s back with the toughest fanny pack on the market. This isn't your parents' fanny pack here. It's a great minimalist EDC accessory, perfect for hitting the gym, going and running some errands, or keeping a basic first aid kit with you. So the DENDRITE comes in two sizes, the small at 2 3/4 of a liter and the large at 4 liters. We use the Urban Blend nylon for our shadow gray and midnight blue colorways, as well as 500D Cordura for multicam black. The waist strap is a dark gray seatbelt material. This is also removable. And on the back panel, we have more seatbelt webbing right here, and you can use this to run it through a belt system. So you can remove the waist belt and run it directly onto your hip if you wanted. There's also a very slim back rear panel here, and this is great for throwing your passport, a notebook, even your phone in the back. So the interior is lined with 210D ripstop nylon. There is a loop panel on the back here, great for hook and loop accessories. We use elastic retention right here so you can throw in your everyday carry gear and keep it managed, as well as a zippered tough mesh pocket. Again, great for smaller gear so it doesn't get lost anywhere else in the pack. There's also an included key fob that you can move the position of with these paracord loops. So you can see that this is a great foundation for a minimalist EDC or everyday carry sling. You can throw your phone, your wallet, your pens, a pocket knife or a multi-tool, headphones. It all fits in here really snug. So I was just demoing the large DENDRITE. This is the small DENDRITE. They have the same layout, just in a smaller form factor. You still have all of the same lining, same materials, similar organization. You just have it in a little bit smaller of a footprint for a really minimalist setup. So I like to wear it over the shoulder personally. This is the DENDRITE large. I'm about 5'8", and this is how it looks on me. So like I mentioned, I prefer over the shoulder. This is the small, and this is how the small looks on me. Again, I'm about 5'8". And what you can also do with the waist belt is this is where you would release it. And you can also flip it. So if you wanted the buckle on the opposite side, you can do that. This is the side where you can also feed the webbing back through and completely remove the waist belt itself as well. So I went ahead, removed the waist strap, and I fed it through my belt here, and as you can see, it's not going anywhere. It is super tight. You have some adjustment along the belt itself, but it is solid on there. So as you guys can see, setting up a minimalist EDC sling, carrying extra first aid gear with you, or just going for a run with some essentials is super simple and pretty stylish. Since 2011, Vanquest has built the toughest bags and packs for everyday carry to help you stay organized and prepared. Check out vanquest.com for more details. We really appreciate you guys watching, so hit the like button and consider subscribing for more product updates, and comment below if you guys have any questions. We'll see you next time. Thanks.